At this point, what does this book not have? Let me show you. If we open it up, we can see it's right here, page 125. This one's for the wives who need to shut their husbands up. Let's go to page 125, and right here we are. This book got removed the other day from TikTok, and it's finally just come back. They do not want us to have information like this. It gives you clear ingredients and clear instructions, tells you the dosage, and even gives you helpful notes and tips on the side. This stuff is crazy. How the reason they want to ban it is because it has over 250 of these at-home remedies you can try for yourself, and we all know Big Pharma does not like that kind of thing. Listen, they just came back to the TikTok shop. I'm telling you right now, this is called the Forgotten Home Apothecary. Like I said, 250 remedies you can try for yourself. Since they just came back, they did just put them on a flash sale. If I were you guys, I'd get your hands on them while you can.